Hey, what's up, Christopher? Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to. I think I may have overlooked your website there. I apologize, but if you don't have one, we would want to build one out for you real quick. Not a big deal, but anyway, just kind of giving an example of what we got going on here. But yeah, after we do take your website, implement three quick tips. These quick tips are actually going to help you gain more traffic on your website and help grow your business here. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So I got Mr. Handyman here. The first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Even the pictures back here is all content. Google sees it all. So really making sure you have enough content in there so you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're being found. So most front pages usually should be between about 1,500 to 2,000 words, just in detailed information who you are, what you do. So that way you can layer in those keywords, and the keywords are what people are actually searching for. Kind of give you an example here. If we go into Google and type in handyman, this NJ, right? This is what you're going to see. You got this little map section at the very top, which usually got ads. They even took the ads out in this location. Anyway, a lot of people have been going away with ads just because they have ad blockers and they've been spammy. But this little map section, you have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top. The top three section is really where all the traffic actually happens. And to get to the top three, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and completely annihilate them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by and crawls and does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you at the very top for all that work that you've done on this site here. Or your site, I should say. If I come back out of this map section, right underneath the map area, this is the first page of Google. And to find yourself right here where all that traffic actually hits, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content, making sure that you have enough content in there so you can layer in those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power so you can get on that first page of Google, really where all that traffic actually happens. And not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take this Mr. Handyman's URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So he's got 33 referring domains, pushing back just almost 400 backlinks there. 337 keywords he's being found for. He does have 138 clicks to his website, which is all coming organically, by the way. Coming in, seeing where these clicks are actually coming from. Handyman NJ, there's 250 clicks a month for that one keyword. He does have that third position right now, so he's getting 27 clicks out of the 250. Handyman Services NJ, another 70 clicks. Mr. Handyman NJ, another 60 clicks. So coming in and finding all these different keywords that's going to help you drive traffic, whether it's handyman or maybe it's a home repair, whatever the case may be. Or so finding all these keywords, making sure you're doing all your backlinking. The backlinking is going to help you get on that first page so you can draw in those leads and help grow your business. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back and give me a review, that'd be great. Thanks. Talk soon.